In this video, you'll learn how to set up two-factor authentication for Zoho. This process enhances the security of your account by requiring additional verification steps during sign-in. Begin by navigating to the Zoho CRM website. Once the page loads, locate the Leads section. You can find this in the main navigation menu, usually situated on the left side of the screen. Click on Leads to access your Leads management area. Next, direct your attention to the Settings icon, often represented by a gear symbol. Click on this icon to open a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Security Control. This action will take you to the security settings for your account. After that, within the security settings, look for an option labeled Security Policies. Clicking on this will redirect you to a new page where you can manage various security settings for your account. Once you are on the Security Policies page, find and click on the Users tab. This section allows you to view and manage user accounts associated with your organization. You should see a list of users after clicking this option. Now locate your account within the users list and click on it. This action will bring you to your specific account settings. You will recognize this page by your account details displayed prominently. Next, look for the Security Policies option again on your account page. Click on this to access the security settings specific to your account. This step is crucial for configuring two-factor authentication. After selecting Security Policies, find the option labeled Multi-Factor Authentication, often abbreviated as MFA. Clicking here will take you to the multi-factor authentication settings. At this point, you may see a message prompting you to enforce multi-factor authentication for added security. This is a reminder to utilize the Zoho OneAuth Authenticator app for generating verification codes. If multi-factor authentication is not yet enabled, you will see a notification stating that it has not been configured. You must enable it through your security policy before proceeding. Now, click on your profile, which is typically located at the top of the page. This will lead you to your personal account settings, where you can manage various features. From your profile, select My Accounts. You will be redirected to a page containing several account management options, including security settings. Next, click on Multi-Factor Authentication. This option will lead you to the section where you can set up your authentication methods. On this page, you will find various methods for multi-factor authentication. Click on MFA modes to see the different options available for securing your account. You will now be presented with a message about the benefits of using multi-factor authentication. This information will help you understand the importance of adding an extra. Next, select Zoho OneAuth, which is the recommended authenticator app for your Zoho account. This app will facilitate secure sign-ins without the need for traditional passwords. You may see a message explaining the advantages of using the Zoho OneAuth app for a streamlined sign-in experience. This app will help you manage your authentication codes efficiently. Now, click on Setup Now if you wish to proceed with using Zoho OneAuth. This will initiate the setup process for the Authenticator app. After that, you can choose to set up a security key as an additional method of authentication. Click on this option to configure a hardware security key for enhanced security during sign-in. You will see a message explaining how to configure and use your hardware security key. Follow the instructions provided to complete this setup. If you prefer, you can also click on OTP Authenticator to set up time-based one-time passwords generated by Authenticator apps. This method is widely used for secure logins. You will be prompted to use time-based OTPs generated by your chosen Authenticator app. Clicking on this option allows you to securely sign into your Zoho account. Now, you can proceed by clicking Setup Now if you want to configure this option. This will allow you to finalize the setup of your OTP authenticator. Next, you can choose Passkey as another method of authentication. This allows for a passwordless sign-in experience while maintaining security. You will see a message that explains how to set up a passkey using your device. This method simplifies the sign-in process while ensuring security. Click Setup now to begin the process of configuring your passkey. This step is essential for utilizing this modern authentication method. At this stage, you will need to type in a name for your passkey. This helps you identify it easily for future reference. Finally, click on Next to proceed with the passkey setup. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the configuration process. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.